Hi guys, in this video we know about how to draw realistic eyes and some mistake which we avoid while drawing. Through this image we learn how to draw realistic eyes. First point which we kept in mind while drawing, we should keep our pencil sharp, which will be help in drawing. After drawing the outline, we should first apply dark color according to outline, and then layer by layer we apply color according to difference. You may see the difference in the figure, and the dark is a black, and then after one layer by layer color applying, which gives the texture. So we use the light pink color, which is also used in the reference. The last point which we remember, that we choose the small area which will help in the blending. It is a pencil color, so its stroke will be sharp, and the small area help in the blending. After that apply white color to our result will be as you saw in the video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.